Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic of Unit 3, Lesson 1-2. I'm repeating, today our topic is Unit 3, Lesson 1-2. Students, this is our fourth lecture and second homework. Before starting our class, students, please take your textbook English for today, class 5, and your writing elements. We are going to start our class. So let's start. Our today's topic is Unit 3, Lesson 1-2. So first I'm going to read the text, and after reading the text we'll do some exercise. Shikha Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker, but in his free time Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Shikha's mother is Mrs. Monora Islam. She is a housewife. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Shikha is in class 5. He is a good student. He wants to improve his English, so he watches cartoons on TV every day. He also reads English books. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. So students, from this text we come to know that Shikha is a student of class 5 and he lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. His father is Mr. Rashidul Islam, who is a banker, and his mother is a housewife whose name is Mrs. Monora Islam. They do some works in their free time, and his father's work is in free time. He used to write stories and used to listen music, and on the other hand his mother likes or enjoys to sewing. And that's why she makes dresses for his family, her friends, for her neighbors. And Shikha, also a good student, and he wants to improve his English, so that in his free time he watches cartoons on TV, and also he used to read English books, and he likes animals, especially books of tigers and lions. Now students, here some questions are given in your textbook. We are going to solve this question. Our first question is, what is Shikha's father's name? Students, as we have read the text, we know that what is Shikha's father's name. Shikha's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. So we can write like this. For this answer we can write Shikha's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. I'm repeating, Shikha's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. Now come to question number 2. What is Shikha's mother's name? So we know that what is Shikha's mother's name? His mother's name is Monora Islam. Mrs. Monora Islam. So we have to write like this. Shikha's mother's name is Mrs. Monora Islam. Now question number 3. What do his parents do in their free time? So you know that what they do, what his parents do in their free time. Here we get the answer. Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music, and Shikha's mother is Mrs. Monara Islam, who is a housewife, and she used to enjoy sewing in her free time. So for this question we can write like this. His father writes stories, listens to music, and his mother enjoys sewing in their free time. I'm repeating the answer. His father writes stories, listens to music, and his mother enjoys sewing in their free time. Now, question number 4. What does Shikha do in his free time? Students, can you guess? I hope you can guess. Here we find he wants to improve his English, so he watches cartoons on TV every day. So as he wants to improve his English, his spoken English, in his free time he used to watch cartoons on TV. So we can write Shoykot watches cartoons in his free time. I'm repeating, Shoykot watches cartoons in his free time. Question number 5. What kind of books does Shoykot like? In last line, we find the answer of this question. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. So here we can't write he because the question is in the name Shoykot. So we have to write the name Shoykot, and then Shoykot likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. I'm saying for the last time, Shoykot likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Students, these are the answer of given question of your textbook. Now we are going to do some matching or column. The question is, match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. You can see in two sides we find column A and column B. In column A we find some words and they are like, animal, free time, listen, often. And on other side column B, leisure, hear, prefer, sometimes, creatures. So we have to match from the both sides according to their meaning. So like means to prefer someone or something. Students, so it will be A with 3. From column A, it will be A with column B, it will be 3. So you have to write the answer like this. Like, and from column B, it will be 3. That means prefer. Like means prefer. Next, animal. Animal means it is a creature and it can't be created by its own. It's God gifted. So animal means creatures. So it will be 5. From column B, it will be 5. Animal means creatures. Next, free time. Free time means leisure time. When we don't have to do any particular work, we can take rest, we can do anything according to our wish. It is called free time or leisure time. So from column A, it will be C, and from column B, it will be 1. So free time will be leisure time. Next, listen. Listen means hear. So in column B, we find the word in number 2. So it will be listen and the meaning is hear, similar. And last one, often. Often means not regularly. It means sometimes. So find the answer here in number 4 in column B. So often means sometimes. Often means sometimes. Students, I am repeating the answer again. Like means prefer. Animal means creature. Free time means leisure. Listen means hear. Often means sometimes. So, students, your homework will be matching or column. This one will be your homework. No need to write the column or no need to pick the question. You will write only the answer. This one will be your homework. And students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. A lecture number is 4 and homework number is 2. And you have to submit your homework on every Saturday. I'm repeating, you have to submit your homework on every Saturday. Students, please do your homework and you have to submit your homework because you will get marks from your homework. Guardians or anyone else can come to school and can submit your homework copy and you will get returned your copy on next Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.